In this video, I'm going to teach you how to connect Wi-Fi to Samsung TV Series 6. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to properly set up a Wi-Fi network on any Samsung TV model that you have. So to do this, you have to go into the settings. So open the menu on your Samsung TV, you can use your remote, and then head over into the settings. Now, one of the categories here at the left is going to be connection. So choose the connection category. It is going to be the third icon here right below the audio options. And inside of connection, you can find network. So choose network and now open network settings. In here, you will see all of the nearby available Wi-Fi networks. So you will see the strength of the signal, and you will see this lock icon if it has a password attributed to that network. So once you find your specific network, you can choose it. So browse up and down through the list, highlight the one that you want to connect into and select it. Now, of course, if it has a password, you will be asked to input that password, so make sure that you type it out properly, and after it is done, you will see this message: success, your TV is connected to the internet. If you have any problems, contact your internet service provider. So choose OK. And now when you open the menu on your Samsung TV and you go all the way to the right, you should be able to see the Wi-Fi network that you are currently connected into here. It is extremely simple to do. There is no secret. It's just like connecting a Wi-Fi network to a laptop or a smartphone. So choose it from the list and input a password if needed. If you don't see the Wi-Fi on the list, you can try restarting the TV, making sure that there are no obstructions or a lot of walls between the router and the TV, and as long as the signal is able to reach it, you will select it from the list. So I hope I was able to help you on connecting your Samsung TV to a Wi-Fi network. If this video helped you, consider subscribing. As you can see, according to the channel metrics, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. So if you subscribe, you can help us from the channel achieve higher quality solutions to your problems and higher quality videos. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.